Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Calling all new drivers. My 15-year-old and I are discussing how the display lights work. This is our 2006 F-150. All vehicles will relatively work the same. You might have to find different buttons or switches. It's dusk right now. It's about to be dark. We're going to turn on the headlights. I can do one of two things. Either turn them here and it will automatically turn them off and on when it's daytime or not, or I can turn it to right here, and that means my headlights are on. Here's the problem though. The display is not on. So a couple things could be happening here, but the most common and most obvious one is somewhere you're gonna have either a button, a switch, a knob, a little wheel like this one right here. And this, when I push it up, these lights come on brighter and brighter. And then also, if I push it one more time and give it an extra little push, it engages the dome lights. Most of the time for driving, most of the time, if you just kind of put it, so we don't want the dome lights on, but we're gonna push it up right before the dome lights come on, and then it will turn it to there. And it'll be bright, and it's just typically what you're gonna want, but and just keep it there and forget about it. But if you have kids or dogs or anything like that, my kids come in and play with all the buttons. So if this gets pushed down, you're gonna think, oh my goodness, we're having an electrical problem. No, just push that back up. You're doing just fine. By the way, that same button, you'll see it'll turn up and down all these different lights that go to these different switches and knobs and whatnot. So I'll turn it back up again, and then you can kind of see as I turn it back down right now, they kind of go up and down. All right, my friends, hey, I hope these videos are helping you out. And now if you're an experienced driver, you're thinking this is too basic. I get it. This series is made for 14, 15, 16-year-olds that are just learning about these vehicles. If you are one of those students, I'm gonna say, then put a comment down below. Hey, do you have something you want me to make a video about? Are you wondering, like, what are you doing when you go to the gas station? Yeah, that was one of my son's friends, is like, I've never done it before. And I was like, gosh, you know, I've done it so many times, it seems so easy. But the first time you do things with a vehicle, it's kind of nerve-wracking. Put comments down below. I'll teach you whatever you want to know, and maybe I'll do my best to make videos for you. Friends, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. All right, time to take the dogs for a walk.